friends, welcome to Camila's Cute Creations. My name is Camila and I crochet plushies. So for today's video, I'm going to be releasing my first tutorial and it's going to be about this mini no-sew sunflower turtle. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this cutie. And I'm going to link all the materials that I use below, my yarn that I used, and the hook size that I used, and the eyes too. So everything will be linked down below. I'm going to stop ranting and just continue on with the tutorial. Okay, so we're going to start by making the fins, and personally I like using the chain 2 method, so that's what I'm going to be using, but you can use whichever method works best for you. And we're going to put 8 half double crochets into that magic ring. Round 2, we're going to be doing half double crochet increases. So a half double crochet increase is just 2 half double crochets into 1 stitch, and at the end of the round you should have 16 stitches in total. So for round 3, you're going to fold this circle in half and half double crochet twice through both halves. Half double crochet together in the next 6 stitches and half double crochet twice in the last one. So now you have these fins. After you have completed the 4 fins, we are going to start working on the head. So for the head, we're going to make a magic ring of 8 single crochets. For round 2, we're going to be putting an increase in each stitch. So at the end of the round, you should have 16 stitches in total. For round 3, we're going to be doing 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 8 times, to give you a total of 24 stitches. Rounds 4 and 5 are pretty simple. The only thing you need to do is single crochet around. For round 6, we're going to be doing a single crochet, then an invisible decrease, to get a total of 16 stitches. We're going to stop here and put on our safety eyes. I used 12mm safety eyes and I put them between rounds 3 and 4, 7 stitches apart. For round 7, we are going to invisible decrease, in each stitch all the way around to give you a total of 8 stitches. We're going to finish off with round 8, and we're going to put a single crochet in each stitch. Fasten off and start stuffing the head. Now we're going to start working on the body. So starting with the shell color, make a magic ring of 8 single crochets. For round 2, we're going to be putting an increase in each stitch. So at the end of the round, you should have 16 stitches in total. For round 3, we're going to do a single crochet, then an increase to give you a total of 24 stitches. For round 4, we're going to do 2 single crochets, then an increase to give you a total of 32 stitches. For rounds 5 to 7, which is 3 rounds, we're just going to be single crocheting all the way around. For round 8, we're going to be crocheting in the front loops only. In the last stitch of the round, I like to color change by using the new yarn that I'm going to use to finish the stitch. Since this part of the video got deleted, I'll show you a diagram of how it's supposed to look like. So in the back loop only, single crochet in the next 2. Attach the first fin through the next 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next 7. Attach the second fin in the next 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next. Attach the head going through the next 4 stitches using slip stitches. Single crochet in the next. Attach the third fin with the next 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next 7. Attach the fin in the next 2. Finish the round with the last 2 single crochet. For round 10, you're going to single crochet in the first 14 stitches. Attach the bottom half of the turtle's neck with a single crochet in the remaining 4 stitches. Single crochet in the remaining 14 stitches. For round 11, we're going to do 2 single crochets, then an invisible decrease. For round 12, we're going to be doing a single crochet, then an invisible decrease to leave us with 16 stitches. After this round, you can stuff the body. After stuffing the body, we will be invisible decreasing all the way around to leave us with 8 stitches. So now we have completed our turtle body, but we have to add our sunflower petals. So attach your yarn using a slip knot and chain 1. In that same stitch, you're going to half double crochet, then double crochet, then treble crochet, double crochet again, and half double crochet again. In the next stitch, you're going to slip stitch. Repeat this all the way around. So here is how the petals are supposed to look like when they're finished. And you can see it is so cute. If you want, you could add some cheeks. But this is so adorable and so cute. Okay, so congratulations, you have finished your no-sew sunflower turtle. And if you did like this tutorial, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!